is the ESP32 module. Here is some hardware information. Just pause and refer to it. It has 38 programmable pins on its back used to connect to other electronic components. Please like and subscribe my videos so it helps me grow. Now let's get started without wasting any more time. Open any internet browser and search for Arduino. Open the first link that appears. Click on the download button. Now select if you are using a Mac or a Windows PC or a laptop. And click download again. This will take some time to download depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Make sure you download the correct version of it. Once it has downloaded, open it. Click on Run. Then I agree. Next and install.
Much later. The next day.
Once it has downloaded, click on Finish. Now you will see an icon like this on your desktop. Click on it and open it. It may take longer for the first time to open. Once you are done with everything, it shall look like this. Now go to File, Preferences and paste these links below from the description. Click on OK. Then again OK. And it will start downloading some things. I have already downloaded, so it will not download again for me. Then go to Tools, Board, then Board Manager, or press Ctrl+Shift+B. Now search for ESP32. Find the option which I have installed and install it. It will download some files at the right side bottom. Now again go to Tools, then Board, and you will find the option there, ESP32. You will have to select ESP32 Dev module from here. Now you are required to connect the ESP32 to the computer. Let's see how you can connect it. For connecting it to the computer, you will need a micro USB cable. The cable should look like this. Make sure you have the correct type of cable. It should be able to transfer the data. There are also Type C available, but we will need a micro USB. Connect one end to the ESP32 and the other end to the computer. Now, let's get back to the computer. Again, go to Tools, go to Board, make sure you have selected your ESP32 DAO module. You will find a port there. Now, click on File, Examples, ESP32, find the chip ID option and click on Get Chip ID. Once you click on it, it will start loading the code for it. It might take time depending on your PC or laptop. Once the code is loaded, click on Upload. Now the code will start compiling. For those who don't know what is compiling, it's like the computer is checking if your code has any error in it or not. This will definitely take a while. Once after it is finished compiling, it will upload the code to the ESP32. Again, like and subscribe so I can bring you more videos like this. I will be using ESP32 for my future upcoming projects. If you want, I will use Arduino. But for that, you have to write me and tag me in the comments. Since I am out of script, now I will just fast forward the video. If you want to skip, just jump to 8 minutes. Once your code starts uploading, it shall look like this. Uploading doesn't take a long time like compiling. The code which we have uploaded will just tell us the ID of the ESP32 which you have got, which might be different from mine. The code will just test out that the ESP32 is in working condition. Once the code is uploaded, open the serial monitor from the right side above. I'm just struggling with my PC because it's lagging a lot. Hope so you don't find the same problem. Make sure you select the correct band value. Without it, you will just find question marks and weird symbols on the serial monitor. To find the correct band value, just look at the code. Good luck finding it. Thank you.